Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning March the 7th to the 13th using this SBC November 2021 mystery kit, and I think this was the foil that it came with. I'm not 100% sure, but pretty sure it was. This week was a very busy week. I have an extender on almost every single day other than Saturday, but on Saturday I had a lot of things to mark anyway, so I just probably ran out of boxes to do extenders with. Is there anything else? This was the week of International Women's Day. Nothing else. I need to talk about the base. No, it was pretty much everything that came with the mystery this week. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to continue on with the questions that I've been doing. The next one I think is, what is my favorite memory from childhood? I don't know. That's a hard question. I can't really think of a favorite memory from childhood. I think maybe one Christmas my mum got all of the kids in my family, like all my cousins and stuff, and they all slept over, so we had like a big sleepover, and like all the boys were in my brother's room, all the girls were in my room, and the older kids were like playing pranks on us at night, and then we were having like shoe fights, and it was just a lot of fun. So I think, and we all like ate together in the living room and stuff. I think that was my favorite memory. The next question is, how would you describe your fashion sense? I would describe my fashion sense as basic, because I just wear things that are comfortable, and I'm not really that bothered about looking the most fashionable, so I definitely just call it basic, which is okay. I'm okay with being basic. Anyways, next question, what phone do you have? iOS versus Android. I have a Google Pixel, which I regret purchasing like a lot, but usually I am Android over iPhone person, even though all the rest of my products are Apple, but my phone has always been Android. I don't know if maybe in the future I will get an iPhone, who knows, but right now I have a Google Pixel, which I can't wait to get rid of. Tell us one of your bad habits. One of my bad habits, I have a lot. One of my bad habits is jumping to conclusions and making assumptions and acting upon my assumptions without knowing like the facts. I do that a lot, like assuming people feel a certain way when they don't, or want me to do a certain thing and just do it rather than like speaking out and asking. I think that's a bad habit of mine. The next question is, have you forgiven yourself for past failures? Why or why not? I think I would say no, I haven't. In terms of like uni, I didn't study as much as I should have, and I kind of relied on the fact that naturally education comes easy to me, so I kind of coasted my way through it rather than trying, and I could have done much better. So I think that's something I haven't forgiven myself for, like regret, but you know, can't go back. How much longer do I have? I think I should be done after this. Let's see what the next question is. Have you ever visited a country outside your continent? Yes, I have. Plenty. Okay, so let's start by the day by day. In the sidebar, I marked that I had lots of Malik Snuggles with this Make Plans sticker and a Malik Snuggles custom script from Plans. Then I noted it was the third week of my maternity leave with a maternity leave sticker from, what's it called? Bella Plan Ella, and a week free script from PMD Stickers. So on Monday I marked Malik Snuggles with this Make Plans custom Mum and Son sticker with a Malik Snuggles script from Carly Plans. No, Mummy Snuggles, should I say. Then I noted he was with his dad with this paper tray dad and baby sticker and a with Papa custom script from Tilly Journals. I noted taking a nap with a pillow icon from the kit and the foil bundle, and a nap script also from the foil bundle. I used this Netflix sticker from a paper candy art leftover and a Netflix binge script from SBC. In the extender, I noted my husband playing video games with a controller sticker from Kylie Plans and a Make Plans video game script. I noted doing some planning with a planner sticker from Plannerface and a planning time script from SBC, the foil bundle. I used another Make Plans girl, this is a Happy Mail girl, and a Happy Mail script from Sugar Box stickers to note I got some Happy Mail. I noted having a lazy day with this girl from Papershire and a lazy day script from SBC. I then noted bathing Malik with a bath time sticker from Planner Hannah and a bath character sticker from Glen Planner. I noted doing some laundry with a laundry folding sticker from SBC and a laundry script from the foil bundle. I noted having some more family visits with a heart icon from the foil bundle and a family time script from Happy Sticker Designs. So if you don't already know, I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs. So if you want to get 15% off of your order on my freebie, use the code ADIATU15 to get 15% off, and all of the new releases always on Fridays. So make sure you check it out. I then use a planner icon from the kit and a binge watch custom script from, not custom script, I just binge watch script from Sugarbox stickers to note Plan With Me binge. I noted changing my sheets with a bed sticker from the foil bundle, and then I marked my baby having some playtime in the middle of the night with a baby sticker from PMD stickers and a playtime custom script from Kylie Plans. Until Tuesday, I noted that it was International Women's Day with a script from Rose Colored Days and a sticker from Cookie Sticker Co. Then noted waking up early with an alarm clock sticker from the foil bundle and an up early script from Planner Hannah. I noted that my husband had to go in for a in-person interview. Like last week he had a phone interview and then he went on to the next stage of having an in-person interview. So I used this laptop boy sticker from Paper Dolls Co. to note that. I noted being home alone with the baby with a house sticker from the foil bundle. I noted doing some more laundry because as a mother that is my life now, with this laundry detergent sticker, I think it's from Kinsey's Creation, who is no longer open, and a laundry script from SBC. I used this bed from PMD stickers to note that Malik slept by himself like his whole nap period for the first time, I think, with a Malik script from Randy.Plans. I noted drinking lots of tea with this cup sticker from Paper Candy Art. Then noted I fell up the stairs while holding my tea with this backache sticker from Once More of Love. Like I was on the last step holding my tea and then I fell and banged my head into the wall, like opposite the stairs. It wasn't fun. Luckily I wasn't holding the baby. I then used this vanilla throwing the table sticker and a script from Golden Run and Cocoa to note there was some drama going on. I noted being in my feelings with Olive Studio, Olive crying, and an in my feelings script from SBC to note that. I used a TV icon from the kit and foil bundle to note binge watching Vikings Valhalla. I noted more fun planning with this planner sticker, I think it's from Bella Planet Ella freebie, and a fun plan custom script from Adorably Image Designs. I noted more cuddling with Malik with this Make Plans mum and son and a mummy cuddle script from Kylie Plans. Moving on to Wednesday, at the top of Wednesday, I noted being tired AF with this Claudia sticker from Bubba Bear Studios, I think it's called, and a tired AF script from Kylie Plans. I noted sleeping in with the Sleep Mask sticker from the foil bundle and the sleeping script from Temple of Craft. I was able to sleep in because Malik was with his dad, so I noted him cuddling with his dad with this Papershire sticker and a Daddy Snuggles script from Kylie Plans. I noted us having some chicken and waffles with a waffle sticker from Beneva's Creation and a chicken drumstick sticker from SBC. I did some layering. I noted more Plan With Me binges with a planner icon from the foil bundle and a binge watch script from Sugarbox stickers. And then I noted my husband playing more video games with this Make Plans gaming guy and a Make Plans video game script, which is one of my favourite ways to mark video games. I then noted bathing my baby again with this Beneva's Creation bath time sticker and a bath script from the foil bundle. I don't always mark everything to do with the baby in this planner because he has his own memory planner. So if I have a lot of things about myself to mark, I miss them out, so you might not see things every day about him, but just know they're happening. I just noting it in a different planner, which is like just for us and for him to see when he's older. Moving on, I then used this baby girl sticker from the Crafty Planner to note that I changed him so many times this day. I noted doing some more laundry with this Miss Moss laundry gel and a laundry script from SBC. I used a star icon from the foil bundle and a family time script from Loves Crafts to note more family visits. Use a planner from Planner Face and a fun plan script from Adorable Amy Designs to note more fun planning. I noted having a headache with this icon from Planner Hannah and a headache script also from Planner Hannah. And then I used this low battery sticker from ScribblePrintsCo to note having no sleep. The no sleep script is from the Planner PixieCo. On to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I marked being tired AF again with this squidge sticker from ScribblePrintsCo and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I noted that my baby was super hungry this day with a breastfeeding sticker from ScribblePrintsCo. And then I noted waking up early with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and an up early script from Planner Hannah. Next, I marked a Plan With Me binge with an Olive Studio dancing in washi sticker and a binge Plan With Me script from Loves Craft. In the extender, I noted eating some tea and having some toast. No, drinking some tea and having some toast with this toast sticker from Paper Milk. I noted more cuddles with my baby with this Mick Plans sticker and a mummy snuggle script from Carly Plans. I used a diaper sticker from SBC to note I changed his nappy so much again this day. I used another one of those vanilla friend the table sticker from Paper Show to note more drama. I used a heart sticker from the foil bundle and a family time script from Loves Crafts to note more family visits. Well, they won't visit me, they'll visit the baby, but yeah. I noted my husband playing games again with the same Mick Plans duo. Then we got some takeout, so I used this chips icons from the foil bundle to note that. I gave Malik another bath. These were all salt baths, I believe, because of the circumcision. I used a bath sticker from Papershire and a bath script from the foil bundle. I then noted cuddling with my husband with this couple sticker from Joy of Planning and a cuddle and with my love script, both from the foil bundle. Next, I marked while this was happening, Malik had a really long nap with the bed sticker from PMD Stickers. I then noted some fun planning with a planner sticker from a paper candy art leftover and a fun plan script from Adorable Amy Designs. And then I noted being in my feelings again with this Olive Studio sad olive and in my feelings script from SBC. Moving on to Friday. At the top of Friday, I marked being tired again with this catnap sticker from Fox and Cactus and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I noted that my husband cooked breakfast with this egg frying sticker from Papershire. I noted more drama, the same thing, so I used the same sticker with the same Papershire banana flipping the table sticker. I noted Malik being with his dad with this Papershire dad and son and baby sticker and a daddy snuggle script from Carly Plans. I noted then my mum having Malik with this grandma sticker from Papershire and a custom with Grandma M script from Tilly Journals. I noted more video games for my husband with the same Plans duo. And then I marked having some planning time, that's probably memory planning, with a planner stacks sticker from Bella Plan Ella and a planning time script from SBC. And then I noted a Plan With Me binge, which was probably happening while I was memory planning, with a planner from Paper Candy Art and a binge Plan With Me script from Loves Craft. Oh, I'm out of breath. At the bottom, I marked another bath for my baby with a Beneath Creation bath time sticker and a bath script from SBC. I used this teddy bear sticker from Sweet Car Design and a playtime script from Carly Plans to note playtime for my baby. I then noted him being sick a lot with this baby vomiting sticker from Papershire. And then lastly, I noted some mummy cuddles with a Mick Plans mum and son sticker and a mummy cuddles custom script from Adorable Amy Designs. On to Saturday, the only day without an extender. I noted sleeping in with this Bubba Bear Studio, I think it's called Bubba Bear Studio Bear Sleeping and a sleep-in script from SBC. I noted a Plan With Me binge with this Mick Plans Mixie Cat stuff cat with in washi and a binge Plan With Me script from Loves Crafts. I then noted that my mum bathed Malik with this bath time sticker from Papershire and a with grammar script from Planner Hannah. I noted cleaning my room, probably not just cleaning the house, with this bucket sticker from SVC and a clean script also from SVC. I noted putting some boxes, like packing some more boxes that I didn't need right now and that I wanted to keep in the loft. I'm putting them in the loft with this declutter box. I don't know where this sticker is from, sorry. I know it was a relaxing day with this Beneva's Creation Girl on the sofa. I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note binge watching upload. Then I marked that Malik was sleeping well and alone in his bedside crib again with this crib sticker from PMD Stickers. And then I noted more mummy cuddles with this Mick Plants mum and son sticker and a mummy cuddles custom script from Adobe Image Designs. Moving on to Sunday. So at the top of Sunday, I marked waking up early with alarm clock sticker from Temple of Craft and an up early script from Planner Hannah. And I then noted having some eggs and drinking some tea with this tea cup icon from Planner Face. All these names confuse me, I'm sorry. Then noted having some son and mum time with Malik with this PMD stickers mum and baby sticker and a mummy time custom script from Randy Lot Plans. I noted that Malik was super hungry again. I just kind of cluster feeding with this ScribblePrintsCo girl feeding a bottle. I didn't feed him a bottle, but I was just interchanging that and the breastfeeding stickers because I had that bottle feeding stickers and I didn't want to waste them. I then noted that Malik took no naps this day with its Beneva's Creation baby with like the eyes being super open to note that he had no nap. And the nap script, I used this from the SBC. I noted more family visits with a star icon from the foil bundle and a family time script from Planner Face. I noted another Plan With Me binge with a Mixie Cat stuffed cat in washi and a binge watch Plan With Me script from Temple of Crafts. I marked editing and uploading some videos with this edit sticker from Marks with Love and a YouTube play button from the foil bundle. The thumbnail and upload script is from, what's it called? I forgot. It's from Randy Lot Plans. I then noted doing some Insta promo on the video that I uploaded with this Instagram sticker from Bella Plan Edda. I noted binge watching Snowfall with a TV icon from Planner Face. And then binge watching Bel Air with another TV icon. This one's from PMD Stickers. I then used some cutlery stickers from the foil bundle to note getting some takeout. And then finally I marked cuddling in bed with Malik with this mum and dad and baby sticker from Glam Planner and then with Malik custom script from Randy Lot Plans. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. In a second I'm going to show you guys a wiggle and what's left of the kit and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!